special marine warning for coastal and outer waters from Sandy Hook to Little Egg Inlet, New Jersey, until 12:45 a.m. At 10:47 p.m., severe thunderstorms capable of producing waterspouts were located along a line extending from 18 nautical miles southwest of South Amboy to 17 nautical miles northwest of Silverton to 18 nautical miles west of Pine Beach, moving east at 40 knots. Hazard: waterspouts, wind gusts to nearly 50 knots, and small hail. Source: radar. Impact: waterspouts can easily overturn boats and create locally hazardous seas. Small craft could be damaged in briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Locations impacted include Ocean Gate, Seagirt Reef, Leonardo, Atlantic Highlands, Barna, Getlight Reef, Monmouth Beach, Seabright, Axel Carlson Reef, Silverton, Harvey Cedars, Fork River, Fairhaven, Lavalette, Barna, Getlight, Shark River Reef, Point Pleasant Beach, Belmar, Seaside Park, Manna, Squat Inlet, and Pine Beach. Boaters should seek safe harbor immediately until these storms pass. Wind gusts to nearly 50 knots, small hail, high waves, dangerous lightning, and heavy rain are possible with these storms. The tornado warning for northeastern Burlington and southwestern Monmouth counties is canceled. The tornadic thunderstorm which prompted the warning has moved out of the warned area. Therefore, the warning has been canceled. A severe thunderstorm watch remains in effect until 11 p.m. for central and south. Here is the regional weather forecast. The National Weather Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey has issued a special marine warning for Delaware Bay until 12:45 a.m. At 10:51 p.m., strong thunderstorms were located along a line extending from Ship John Show Light to 12 nautical miles west of Powers Beach, moving east at 15 knots. Hazard: wind gusts to 40 knots and small hail. Source: radar. Impact: small craft could be damaged in briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Locations impacted include Fortesk Beach, Sea Breeze, 14-foot Bank Light, Slaughter Beach, East Point, Bowers Beach, Woodland Beach, Miamal Light, Ship John Show Light, Brandywine Show Light, and Cross Ledge Light. Move to safe harbor until hazardous weather passes. At 10 p.m., at Atlantic City International. The National Weather Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Kent County and central Delaware until 11:45 p.m. At 10:55 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Woodland Beach to Hazlettville to near Andrewsville, moving northeast at 25 miles per hour. Hazard: 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source: radar indicated. Impact: minor damage to vehicles is possible. Wind damage to roofs, siding, trees, and power lines is possible. Locations impacted include Dover, Milford, Harrington, Camden, Cheswold, Bowers, Woodside, Viola, Rising Sunshine, Lebanon, Woodland Beach, Hazlettville, Dover Base Housing, Dover Speedway, Sandtown, Andrewsville, Rising Sunshine, Big Stone Beach, Wyoming, Felton, and Frederica. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Torrential rainfall is occurring with these storms and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 11:45 p.m. for the following counties: Kent, Delaware. Here is the regional weather forecast.